Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Okay, last period we have completed the topic less and more, and now we'll begin with the new topic, that is increasing and decreasing order. Increasing and decreasing order. Now, children, increasing and decreasing, these words are new for you. These words are new for you. Okay, but I will explain you what is increasing and decreasing order so that you will understand it better. Okay, increase means what? बढ़ जाना. Okay, and decrease means कम होता है. Okay, yes. Now increasing means, suppose in maths we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are 1 to 9 numbers. If we have to write the increasing order of these numbers 1 to 9. Okay, now children, while writing the increasing order, you must keep in mind that it starts with the small number. Okay, so starting with the small number in 1 to 9, 1 is the small number, so increasing order here 1. So after 1, 2, after 2, 3, after 3, 4, after 4, 5, after 5, 6, after 6, 7, after 7, 8, after 8, 9. Okay, children, so this increasing order starts with the small number, that is 1, and ends with the biggest number, that is 9. Okay, it starts from the smallest number and ends with the biggest number. Now, what is decreasing order? What is decreasing order? Decreasing order of numbers 1 to 9. Now, decreasing order always starts from the big number, from the biggest number to the smallest number. Okay, from the biggest number to the smallest number. Now here we wrote the increasing order. Now here in this numbers, which is the biggest number? 9. Biggest number is 9. So what you will write here? First number here in decreasing order? 9. Okay. Then we will go the reverse order, which we have studied in the last period when we were doing numbers 1 to 9, reverse order. So after 9 we will write here 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, and last small number is 1. So decreasing order, it starts from the biggest number and ends with the smallest number. Increasing order starts with the smallest number, ends with the biggest number. Okay, let us do some explanation of increasing and decreasing order here. Increasing order. Numbers written from the smallest to the biggest are in increasing order. Now on the blackboard I explained you smallest to the biggest. Okay, in increasing order we wrote the smallest number 1. Okay, and the biggest ender we ended with the number 9. Understood? Yes? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood? Then decreasing order. Numbers written from the biggest to the smallest are in decreasing order. Biggest to the smallest means biggest number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes? Now, increasing order of numbers 1 to 9. Let us revise this increasing order of numbers 1 to 9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the increasing order. Increasing order of numbers 1 to 9. And decreasing order of numbers 1 to 9 is, I said na, reverse order you must write here. Reverse order, that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, children? You will understand more when we look at this. Okay? Now, increasing order, it starts from the smallest number to the biggest number. Now, here we are going to write the empty boxes numbers. Okay? In increasing order. It starts from 1. Okay? So, after 1, in increasing order, here we are going to write the increasing order. Increasing order means going upward. Yes? So, 1. Then 2. It increases. Now, one block, one number is increasing. 1, then 2. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, then 7, then 8, and here last 9. Okay, so increasing order, see here, it is going upwards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now decreasing order, here we are going to write the decreasing order. Decreasing order starts from the biggest number. Now your biggest number is 9. And this order will come here downwards to the smallest number. So here we have to write the decreasing order. Okay, means 1 less. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, children, look at this increasing and decreasing order properly. Go through it. Yes. Now we will do the textbook increasing and decreasing order. Okay. Count the blocks together with Rama. Okay. Here the name of the girl is Rama. Write the number below the picture. Make a tower of given numbers of blocks. Okay. Now here Rama is there. And what the question is asked? You have to count the blocks together with Rama. With Rama we have to count the blocks. Now see here, one block is there. One number is written in the circle. Yes? One block, one number. Huh? Now you have two blocks. So I will write here 1, 2. So how many blocks here? 2 blocks. Now here 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. So here 3 blocks, 3 number. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many blocks here? 4. So write here number 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many blocks? We counted 5. So write here number 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blocks? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 blocks. So write here number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9 blocks. So write here number 9. Okay children. Now this is the tower of the blocks. One tower. Okay. 2 number tower, 3 number tower, 4 number tower, 5 number tower. Okay. So like this the numbers are written. We have counted the blocks also and we wrote the number down. Now this is the increasing order children. This is the increasing order. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. From small number to big number. We have learnt the numbers from 1 to 9 in increasing order. 1 to 9 is increasing order. Yes. We can write these numbers in a reverse or decreasing order. I told you reverse order of 1 to 9 is the decreasing order. Okay. Now your question is asked. Observe the numbers written in decreasing order. Now here the order is given and it is written in the decreasing order. Your numbers are there 1 to 9. Okay. 7. Okay. 7 is the big number here. 7. Then 6. Then 5. 4. 3. Okay. You see the reverse order here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So decreasing order means what? Reverse order. Write in the increasing order. Write in the increasing order means from 5 we have to start. After 5, 6. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. And after 8, 9. Okay. So this is the increasing order. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write in the decreasing order. Write in the decreasing order. Now this was the increasing order. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How you will write the decreasing order? From 9. Reverse order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Got? Reverse order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You wrote here. We wrote here. Yes? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay children. Increasing order from small to big number. And decreasing order from big number to the small number. Okay. Now we will see this picture here. Okay. Count the beads and write the missing numbers in the increasing order. Now here you will understand better, okay, by counting the beads. Increasing order you will understand more. Now here beads are given, okay, see 1, here 2 beads, here 3 beads, okay. You have to count the beads and you have to write the number in the boxes, okay. Like this increasing order will be formed. 1 red color bead is there, so 1 number is written. Now here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 number. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is written. So this is increasing order. 1 to 9 is increasing order, going upward. You can see this arrow going upward. Okay. In decreasing order now we are going to write. Decreasing order, you see the arrow here going downwards. So 9 is there here. Yes. Now we have to count here this beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse order, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. 1, 2, 3. Write 3. 1, 2. And here 1 bead is there, so number 1 is there. So this was the decreasing order. Okay, 9 to 1. Understood? Now here question is given. Write the smallest and the biggest of the given numbers. Then write the given numbers in the increasing order. Okay. Now first, here columns are given. Okay. Given numbers, smallest, biggest, increasing order. Now here in given numbers, which numbers are given? 6, 3, 1, 8. Now from these numbers 6, 3, 1, 8, smallest number is 1. Smallest number is 1. Smallest number means small number, सबसे छोटा. And the biggest number is 8, सबसे बड़ा. There are 4 numbers here. But among these 4 numbers, which is the small number? 1. And which is the big number here? 8. So, smallest number we wrote here 1 and the biggest number we wrote here 8. Okay. So, while writing the increasing order, how you will write the increasing order of these numbers? 6, 3, 1, 8. How will you write? You will take this small number first here. 1, then 3, then 6, then 8. Okay. 1, 3, 6, 8. Got all of you? Yes. 1, 3, 6, 8. Now here 2, 5, 9, 7. So smallest number is which among these? 2. And which is the biggest number here? 9. Okay. Biggest number is 9. So what is the increasing order here? Small number will write first. 2, 5, 7 9. 2 5 7 9. Okay. Next question. 8 9 6 4. Which is the small number here? 4. And which is the biggest number here? 9. Okay. So while writing the increasing order, we will write the small number first. Smallest number we got here 4. Write 4. Okay. Then which number will come? 6. After 6, 8. After 8, which biggest number? 9. Got, children? So this was the increasing order. This was the increasing order. Given numbers. From given numbers we wrote the smallest number, biggest number, and then we form the increasing order. Okay. Now next question here. Write the biggest and the smallest of the given numbers. Then write the given numbers in the decreasing order. Okay. Now here given numbers are there. 1, 9, 4, 7. Okay. Now from 1, 9, 4, 7, which is the big number here? 9. Smallest number is 1. So decreasing order 9, 7, 4, 1. Okay. 9, 7, 4, 1. This is the biggest number. Okay. Then second biggest number is this. Then the next biggest number is this. Okay. And the smaller number, last smallest number is 1. So this was the decreasing order. Now next 6, 2, 8, 9. So among this, which is the biggest number here? 9. Smallest number is 2. So now look at these numbers. Okay. Biggest number we got 9. And smallest number is 2. So when writing the decreasing order, first we will write 9, then 8, then 6, then 2. Okay. So we will write the decreasing order here. 9, 8, 6, 2. Okay. Next one. 5, 7, 1, 3. 5, 7, 1, 3. Now among these numbers, which is the biggest number? 7. And the smallest number is 1. Now look at this number, children. 5, 7, 1, 3. How you will write the decreasing order? We know the biggest number. 7 is the big number. So we'll write first 7. Then after 7, 5. After 5, 3. And last, smallest number 1. So we'll write here 7, 5, 3, 1. Okay. So this was the decreasing order. Okay. You have to keep in mind that increasing order, it starts from the smallest number to the biggest number, and decreasing order, it starts from the biggest number to the smallest number. Okay, children, I hope you have understood it. Okay, we will meet in the next period with the next topic. Till then, you complete your notes in your notebook. Okay, fine. Thank you.